Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making this fried rice that is perfect for small get together. It can also serve 8 to 10 people, so watch till the end to see how I made this. First, I'm going to season my chicken to get tasty broth for the fried rice, and for that I'm using soft chicken. Next, I'll go in with my seasoning cubes, curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, salt, fresh thyme, scotch bonnet pepper for heat, and my blended onions, ginger and garlic. I will rinse my blender with small water, add to the pot. I will give it a good mix, cover and allow it to cook without adding water. This is soft chicken, so it doesn't take time to cook. I will be using liver, so I'm going to season with seasoning cubes, onions, garlic and salt to taste. I will add enough water to cover, cook until done. Next, I will season my chicken thighs, which I cut into bite sizes. To that, I will go in with my seasoning cube, onion powder, garlic powder, curry powder and salt to taste. I will mix to combine and set aside to marinate. At this time, I check on the chicken and it's ready. I'm going to take it out from the broth and start frying. In my preheated oil, I'll go in with my onions and scotch bonnet pepper for flavor and heat. Next, I will add the chicken and allow it to fry. At this time, I check on the liver and it's done. I'm going to allow it to cool down before cutting into cubes, and I will do that off camera. Next, I check on the chicken and it's well fried. I'm going to take it out from the oil and set aside. Next, I'll fry the liver to achieve that beautiful look, but do not over fry the liver, otherwise you will not like the taste. Once the color is like this, I will scoop it out from the oil and fry the chicken. I will fry until it looks like this, and we are done prepping. The veggies are ready, chicken and liver looking nice, and it's time to cook the rice. In a pot, I'll add some of the oil I used in frying the chicken. Next, I'll go in with my chopped onions and minced garlic, curry powder, seasoning cubes, and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to fry for a while to release the fragrance. Next, I'll go in with my parboiled rice. You can also wash with hot water. I like to parboil my rice a little bit before cooking. Feel free to do what is best for you. I will mix properly, cover and allow it to toast for 6 to 8 minutes on a medium heat before adding the broth. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. 8 minutes later, the rice is well toasted. Next, I'll go in with the broth, cover and allow it to cook until done. At this time, the rice is ready, looking good and fluffy. Once everything is ready, it's time to mix the rice with the veggies. In a big pot, I'll add little amount of the oil I used in frying the chicken. Next, I'll go in with my minced garlic. I'll proceed by adding the veggies and season with all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to fry on a high heat. Next, I will go in with the liver and chicken and mix to combine. Next, I will begin to add the rice and mix. As you can see, I'm using wide pot, so the mixing is very easy for me. You can also mix in batches with frying pan or simply use anything that can do the job for you. The last thing to add is my spring onions. I'll mix properly, making sure that everything is well combined. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.